But our biggest breakthrough came almost 18 months ago, when here in New York, we unveiled the now iconic design of the Mavic Pro. By making it easier than ever to take a 4K drone with you wherever you go, we set a new standard for drone technology and introduced what is now the most popular drone of all time. Since launching the Mavic Pro, we've seen its foldable design enable filmmakers, content creators, amateur photographers, many of whom are here in the audience with us now, to fly and creating new stories from new perspectives. What may surprise you, though, is that the day after we started shipping the Mavic Pro, we went back to the drawing board to create something entirely new. Rather than just upgrade the Mavic Pro, we wanted to create a brand new class of drone, one that empowers everyone to create without limits. To create such a drone, we had to leverage and improve on all of DJI's key breakthrough technologies. That includes a drone that's so powerful, it has a three-axis stabilized 4K camera on board with a first-rate imaging system. So intelligent, you can fly with confidence and ease in complex environments. And so portable, it can go on whatever adventure you embark on. Powerful, intelligent, and portable. Today, we're going to redefine drones as a creative tool. To make a drone so powerful, intelligent, and portable, we had to reimagine the way drones are designed. We first miniaturized all the technology inside and polished and refined every curve to make the body as aerodynamic as possible. With so much power in such a small body, we had to design a new ventilation system to pull air through the drone to prevent overheating. We also created a new three-axis gimbal casing that not only protects the gimbal while it's in flight, but it also provides more precision in camera movements. We also increased signal coverage with a new designed omnidirectional antenna discreetly placed in the landing gear. And of course, we made the entire system foldable. The result is a design that is both functional and elegant. A drone designed to let you create without limits, straight from your pocket. So carrying it in your pocket is easier than ever. In fact, you can carry everything with you, including your wallet, your smartphone, but of course, the most important thing is making sure you have a good remote controller that has been redesigned to be as portable as possible. But ultimately, this is all about the Mavic Air. The Mavic Air The Mavic Air is our most powerful and intelligent portable drone to date.